Introduction. Understanding how to create a new line in HTML5 enhances web page aesthetics and readability. The function offers more control over content presentation. What is a new line in HTML5? A new line in HTML5 refers to the action of breaking a line of text or code and starting a new one. This is usually achieved using the tag, an empty element with no attributes. Example, this is a line of text. This is a new line of text. Why use a new line? Improves readability of the content, helps create a specific layout on a web page, can break down long paragraphs into smaller digestible chunks. How to create a new line in HTML5? To create a new line, insert the tag where the line break is desired. The bar tag can be used within a paragraph, heading, list, or any other HTML element. Example, this is a line of text. This is a new line of text. Tips and tricks. Use the tag sparingly to avoid cluttered and difficult-to-read code. Structure content using other HTML elements like paragraphs and lists. The tag does not have a closing tag. Avoid using the tag to create space between different HTML elements. Use CSS instead. Conclusion. Creating a new line in HTML5 is a crucial skill for effective content presentation. Correct use of the tag enhances readability and layout of the web page. Use the tag sparingly and avoid common mistakes for clean and efficient code.